Hi, and welcome back to Marine Parts TV. A subject that often comes up in our parts department is how often should I have my engine serviced? So I thought to answer that question clearly and concisely, I'd get Richard Somerville, Service Manager from Outboard Marine Technologies and one of New Zealand's leading outboard technicians to answer these questions. Richard, how are you today?
Very good, thank you, Richard.
That's good. So that main question we get is how often should I have my engine serviced?
Yeah, so usually engine service are looked at every 12 months or 100 hours, whichever comes first. Regardless if you use it a couple of times, you should bring it in and get it checked. There's a few crucial items like your battery system and fuel system that if left unmaintained will let you down in the water.
Okay, so what you're saying is hours are irrelevant, it just needs to be checked a minimum of once a season.
Definitely once a season.
Okay, great. So what are the types of services on offer?
So service is a broad term used in the marine industry. There's two types of services commonly found. It's your lube service and your full service. Okay. So both of the services start with a full engine appraisal. This is where a technician will break down the engine, go over it, let you know anything that's coming up to due and things that are due right now, and then that gives you a good chance to choose where you spend your money.
So Richard, what is covered in the basic lube service?
So your lube service is what your preventative maintenance service. It consists of your boat filter replacement, gearbox oil replacement, power tune and a bottle of fuel system cleaner through your fuel tank to ensure your injectors get cleaned out.
For those people who are unaware of what it is, power tune, can you elaborate on that please?
Yeah, so power tune is a product that we run through the engine while it's running. It removes carbon deposits around the ring glands, around the valves and also in your fuel injectors.
So what is covered in the full service?
So your full service is your prop to top service. It's a lot more in depth, so more like things like your gearbox oil, your water pump service, spark plug replacement, thermostat seals, all your oil filters and also your fuel filters.
And when you completed these services, do you take them out on the water to sea test them? Or how do you...
Typically every engine will be run in the test tank, normally for 20 to 30 minutes, mainly to verify all the service work carried out and to make sure there's no other underlying issues with the engine under load.
And this runs the engine at full throttle under load?
The whole way through the rev range, yes.
Okay. So Richard, what are the benefits of having your engine serviced?
So you give your engine a longer lifespan with regular servicing. You'll go out with your boat with confidence knowing that it's going to work as it should and also get you home safe. You also save a lot of money on larger repair bills that could have been picked up earlier if brought in for its regular service schedule.
So as well as the service, you're doing a lot of preventative maintenance work, ensuring that the bills aren't huge in the future, people have got confidence to go boating and enjoy their summer.
Exactly that.
Okay, Richard, thank you very much for your time. Really appreciate you being here.
Thanks for having me.
Thank you.